Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to take you on a journey through the fascinating world of the iPhone. Buckle up, because you're in for some mind-blowing facts. The iPhone revolution began on January 9, 2007, when the legendary Steve Jobs officially announced it to the world. But guess what? We had to wait until June 29, 2007, to get our hands on this game-changer. Talk about building anticipation. Did you know that the original iPhone had a top-secret code name during development? It was known as Project Purple. I wonder if there were any purple iPhones in the works. Ever heard of liquid metal? Apple has exclusive rights to use this super durable and lightweight alloy in its products. Could this be the future of iPhone materials? The rumors are swirling. Even Apple's co-founder, Steve Wozniak, couldn't resist the iPhone's charm. He joined the line with the rest of us in 2007 and became the proud owner of one of the first iPhones. Now that's dedication. Multitasking on your iPhone is a breeze, right? Well, not always. It wasn't until 2010, with the release of iOS 4, that we could finally run apps in the background. Life before that? Let's not talk about it. Hold on to your hats because this one's a shocker. The iPhone has become the most popular camera on Flickr, and it even played a role in the decline of point-and-shoot camera sales. Say cheese. Did you know that the iPhone was almost designed with a virtual click wheel, just like the iPod? But Steve Jobs had other plans. He ditched the wheel in favor of the iconic touchscreen. Imagine swiping through your apps with a click wheel today. Here's a jaw-dropper: iPhones consistently make up more than 50% of Apple's total revenue. That's one powerful smartphone. Can you believe the first iPhone cost $499 for the 4GB model and $599 for the 8GB model? And that was with a 2-year contract. It was quite the luxury back then. And last but not least, did you know you can shake your iPhone to undo typing or other actions? It's like a magic wand for your phone: undo, undo, undo. Before we conclude our video, I would like to share some advice with you. A father gives nothing better than good education. There you have it, folks, 10 incredible iPhone facts that'll make you appreciate this iconic device even more. If you enjoyed this tech journey, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss our mind-blowing tech content.